How to change Snapchat font style. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Play Store application and search for Snapchat to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches while using the app. Now as you can see, there's an update that I have available in my device for the application, so I'm just going to update the application. Wait for a while because it's going to take some time. Now after getting updated, I'm going to tap on open over here. So I'm just waiting for a while to get the app updated. So it's installing after the update. Now we just need to wait for a while because a lot of times it depends on the internet connection as well. So the internet connection must be stable to have a faster update and faster installing of the application on your device. Now just tap on open and it will lead you to the home page of Snapchat application. Now tap on the profile at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on settings, or you can just go back and click any picture over here. Here I'm just clicking a picture and I'm trying to write a caption. So I'm writing hey everyone. So if I have to change the font of this, I have different options available over here. So I'm just gonna swipe and look for different fonts to use in my photo. So I'm just gonna choose this one. Okay, I'm just gonna choose this one, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.